Interested in seeing how I achieve this sexy style? Come on in and take a look. Enjoy. What's going on, my peeps? I hope everything is going well for you guys on today. I am sharing a quick little style. Well, I shouldn't say quick, but it is kind of simple and easy. I'm sharing this style I did on my hair not too long ago. I did take down the previous style that I had, which was the braided French braid. I took that out and I wanted something different that would last a little bit longer, so I won't have to keep combing my hair. Even though I am enjoying creating all these new styles for you, but I'm just gonna jump right into it as I normally do. I'm just parting my hair in a U or C shape in the front because with my head and my hair type, I try not to do a part in the middle all the time just to keep it kind of closed. And I like deep parts, and you can switch this from left or to right. I am going to be using rubber bands because my hair is slicker than snot, so I know this hair will not stay on without me using the rubber bands. I will be retwisting for infinity and beyond, and I'm going to be um, parting the hair. I mean, I don't know the width, but it's kind of big. They're not small. And yeah, I got the rubber band's plummeting. I could not get the rubber band to show properly, but I was trying to show you how small these things were, and I failed miserably at it. So I'm just going to be parting my hair. I'm going to pre-part, and if you have someone that can pre-part for you, definitely involve them because your process will go a lot quicker. Or if you know you're going to do your hair, try to do this the day before. If you don't mind, have the rubber bands in your head and just wear a wig, or do what I do. I'll go ahead and do the rubber bands, and I would just pull them back in a low bun, put on some makeup, and rock it out. Like, I don't care. It's not a big deal for me, but this is what the outcome will be. And I'm going to be doing this two ways. One is crochet, especially in the front, because I know my hair will still be slick with the rubber bands on there, and they'll just slide off. I'm using Wetline, and I did use the Shining Jam, and I oil my scalp with the Sulfur 8 and Blue Magic mixed together, and I also still use other oils on my scalp, but my hair is very moisturized. But this is going to be one uh, twist without the crochet, just to see how my hair was going to cooperate. Going, going, ding, 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 ding. So that first one ended up being okay, but what I do to ensure that it's not going to be too tight at the root, I will put a clip on the root once I get it braided down enough. And you may want to braid down like 2 to 3 times, and then use some gel or shining jam to help slick the rest of your hair down so it just melts right into the twist. But if you see how I clipped it on, and I've done this before when I've twisted my hair, if you want to go and look at some other twisting videos, and then you just twist it all the way to the end. And I just like to speed it up here, so you just won't get bored watching me do the same action over and over. And I was going for shoulder length, so that's about the size. And I think I end up taking that one down and the other one I did because they ended up being a little bit too juicy, too thick for me. So I took one strand of hair out, but that's basically how these are going to look. So I'm just going to continue to do the 2 different methods. I'm going to crochet right in the front and some in the back just to see know which one held up for me the best, which ended up being a crochet, of course. So if you have any questions, you can always hit me up in the description box. I mean, you can read the description box and hit me up in the comments if you have any questions that I may have not already answered for you. So I hope you guys are enjoying my content. I'm trying to be a little bit more on schedule with Tuesdays and Fridays right now. That's kind of working out as far as my life style, or as far as my life is going. And as you see, I had to take that one out. So yeah, you're gonna do trial and error just to see which one works. But that rubber band's off my hair, and I put it back on, and I try it again. So don't give up if you're trying this style. It's gonna end up so freaking cute. I've received a gazillion compliments on it. So I think I'm gonna wear this style for quite some time. So I'm just gonna play some aesthetic music for you, and as always, I will come back on the end and close out the video. So go ahead and watch and enjoy. Alright, right here, I really struggle with parting my hair by myself in the back, so these parts are definitely jacked up, but it worked out okay for me. They're hidden by the braids that are in the front. So if you have someone that can part the hair for you, please have them to do that. If you're kind of, anal about having perfect parts, but I don't care about them in the back so much as I do in the front where they can be really seen. But of course I can see what I'm doing up there, but I went ahead and also pre-parted my hair, as you will see in the upcoming segment here, because I was like, this is going to take 35 million years. So I went ahead and did it like this to make it a lot easier for me to go ahead and part. And I did the brick layering method, so when they hang, you won't see the parts. You see a part here, part there, and it just makes it look a little bit more uniform. So I'm just going to continue to braid my little heart out and give you a close-up of how this look in the back, or I thought I did. And this is the finished result, and I was so feeling myself. I made my face up. I will be sharing this makeup look on my channel soon. Just let me know what you think about the style, and I'm just going to be showing you how this look in different lighting. This was like kind of later over in the day on that one, or maybe not so late over in the day, I can't remember, but this is right by the window. And I just love how the sun was hitting my face. It really just brought out the shininess of the hair. And this is more like not by the window, kind of in natural light still. But yeah, let me know what you think. I will have definitely a lot of fall looks coming up. But fall and spring are my two favorite seasons to dress in. I just feel a lot happier. Fall makes me feel happy. Spring makes me feel happy. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe.